Good morning, traders. In front of your Alpha Fibonacci system in the last 2 hours. This is simplicity and power of the system. This is a bold green line where your only option to buy. This is in front of you historical high. As we discussed with students this morning, you are looking at brand new historical high formations. Long trade, multiple long trades before market open already played out. This morning we discussed that you're looking at very junky pullbacks. This morning we discussed trader is being tested. Intelligent trader has zero interest in throwing random trade into the markets. Intelligent trader strategizing clearly, demanding powerful pullback. Without this, market is gambling, not trading. So let's review the power and simplicity of Alpha Fibonacci system as everything playing out in front of you. Everything we expected, everything we discussed, everything we identified well in advance. Those of you who have been in the room for weeks know very well. This is a chart that's been present in front of you for weeks. This is what intelligent trader wanted and demanded, this level. This is the best ultimate point of entry. This is not. So let's review this week while you're looking at ultimate junk, at ultimate broker's heaven. This is your trading range this morning. The only option for intelligent trader to demand the powerful pullback. So let's review S&P for this week, for the last month, for the last year and a half, while we're monitoring broker's heaven, while broker printing money, if you decide to touch this market. This is hourly bullish trend exhaustion. This is hourly historical high. If you decide to buy this, you are a gambler. You are not intelligent trader. Historical high, not the place to buy. These are the events of this week. Yesterday, ultimate worst market on record. One intelligent trader knew extremely well. Smartest thing to do, walk away from the screen. Because price was stuck in this range for 12 hours. Since June 4th, every single long in this area failed. So when finally today market creating historical high and you decide to take a trade, it's extremely aggressive option. So why is market keeps rallying? For this exact reason. Look at this institutional rally. We know extremely well, weeks, months and years in advance, where market heading to. We know extremely well, market been stuck at institutional support for the last few months. There are zero institutional shorts since March 2020. So when you decide to buy this morning, you're programming gambling, not trading into your trading. Because your subconscious making decisions. If you bought historical high, success rate practically none. Intelligent trader understands what you do every single day will determine your success. But it's the only option, the only trade this morning. Trading here versus trading here will produce very different results. So let's take a look on the markets and power of Alpha Fibonacci System on day trading chart since June 4th. This is a system. This is what it looked like on June 4th. You knew far in advance that this is not the place to buy. You knew far in advance that if price continue respecting this support, it will be war zone. You knew far in advance if price collapsing to this level, it's a beautiful gift. But if I take Alpha Fibonacci System even further out, June 1st, look at this. It's a stepping stone. Reversal zone, not the place to buy. Correct? Demanding powerful pullback is a brilliant thing to do. If I take you all the way down to May 13th, this is where price was, and this is what you knew many days in advance. All of this played out in the trading room every single day. Ultimate place to buy, institutional entry point, 4,000 level. This was stunning, 1490. But when this entire week prices stuck at reversal zone, you knew days, weeks in advance. What were you doing in your trading? Let's go back to today, June 10th. This is the market. This is the most important part of your trading. This is S&P mini futures in the current brutal market conditions. This is the most important part. When you master this, everything else is a breeze. And again, if I squeeze chart, this is a market since June 1st. It's a stunning stepping stone. The best thing that happened since June 1st, 4160 level, 4180, this was war zone. When you master the war zone, you become successful, consistent trader. This was the best thing this week. So this is your crucial day trading chart. This is what I'm teaching live after the close of the trading room. As again, we're discussing with students every single day prior to the trading day. Your trading range. As I said, since March 2020, only clueless traders shorting this market. Intelligent trading traders know institutional trading range and understand why parties in Miami start on Monday 10 a.m. This is the biggest vertical rally in 100 years during the worst economic crisis. How many shorts have you done since March 2020? Are you thinking as Goldman Trader does? Are you thinking as JP Morgan Trader does? They don't trade junky little charts. They holding positions for weeks, months, and years. And when you're riding power with them, you understand bullish rally is on. And the drastically better trade played out here 1 hour before market open. That's it. It's ultimate precision. It's ultimate power. The trade is not on 1 minute. I converted trade to 1 minute on purpose. So you can see in the trading room the power of the system. This is gambling. This is brand new historical high. At this level, every single trade failed for the last week. If you bought the market, you bought the market here. You did not buy the market here. Here, every single trade failed since May. But intelligent trader knows months in advance that price is heading higher. So if you pass this test first week in June, you are a brilliant, intelligent trader. Everything else will be a breeze. This is the most important part of your trading. How to separate brutal versus spectacular markets. How to identify your trading range. So when powerful pullback plays out, intelligent trader becomes interested in the market. Intelligent trader has zero interest gambling. This is Alpha Fibonacci System since May 13th and this week. And this is what I'm teaching in the live class. You understand this? You are solid forever. You are not a gambler. You only interested in the highest probability trades. So while we're monitoring this pullback, which is what intelligent trader demands, has zero interest gambling, trading less than with 2% success rate, because historical high, not the place to buy. Let's review Alpha Fibonacci System again and again and again during crisis, so you understand the power of strategic Alpha Fibonacci trading. December 2019, price reaches reversal zone. Look at the bottom, 2200 level. Intelligent trader prepared. Intelligent trader understands what identifies institutional sell-off. So when market in free fall, intelligent trader not listening to soap opera, not listening to panic and anxiety and stress, understanding very clearly. Top 1% loves major crisis because major crisis is major opportunity. Top 1% never thinks as majority does. So when critical level is reached, Intelligent trader understands it's a stunning opportunity to buy. This is Alpha Fibonacci System on day trading chart 2200 level. It was spectacular, breathtaking every single day. For one simple reason. Institutions were taking positions. Institutions were buying everything. Hundreds and hundreds of trades are flying on every single instrument. An intelligent trader taking advantage of that. So when mom of two babies can do that during the entire lockdown, what were you doing during crisis? This is the most important part. Crisis is not going anywhere. Crisis will become much bigger. When mom of two during crisis is done at 6 a.m. EST and babies aren't even up, what were you doing during crisis? Jennifer is my friend for life. Her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. It's a very different trading. This was the start of spectacular, breathtaking rally. This is a very different number. 42.45. It's a historical moment. It's a brand new historical high. And this is what brilliant intelligent trader does, taking advantage of crisis. It never gets old, I promise. When complete beginner trader have taken advantage of the crisis and within a couple of months trading for top step trader, Pablo did not know what ninja is. What are you doing? How are you thinking? How are you trading? Understanding what Goldman, BlackRock does, how JP Morgan trades, and trading with them, not against them, is the most important part of your trading. So you passed the test this week. It's the most important part of your trading. You're extremely well prepared for the next crisis. Institutions holding their longs. Institutions no longer entering large positions. It's a very different trading. Here, 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 here versus here. This can last months and years. This is the most important part. You master this, you are solid forever. We will be stuck in this institutional trading range. You will be tested to the core for months and years. So when price does this, time and time again, 80–90% of the time, do you pass the test? Do you understand your trading range? Or do you gamble? Success rate on this? Non-existent. Intelligent trader only interested in powerful pullback. Intelligent trader would never ever gamble, would never ever buy historical high. So while we're monitoring this on S&P, which is ultimate test of your knowledge, which is exactly what we discussed and identified, this is what intelligent trader does. Not babysitting, junk, moving to different instruments. As CEO sharing, while futures not moving, he moved to Forex and crypto, while keeping an eye on indices, strictly from key institutional levels. But let me explain to you, all of this happening in the middle of the night in Australia. It's not 9:30 in New York. CEO does this in US markets while it's 2, 3, 5 a.m. at the best. And what does CEO says? What you teach is phenomenal because it develops one to adopt both patience and discipline and to stay away from buying, selling all over the place, causing one to overtrade, which is one of the worst things both a new trader as well as experienced trader can do. Sometimes I see multiple setups play out, but in order to adhere to my own risk and position sizing, simply will never take and simply filter what I deem the best. This is what intelligent trader does. This is to answer your question. And when brilliant intelligent trader does this, it's only single trade. And it's playing out right now. And that's intelligent strategic trading. That starts with managing this. That starts with managing this. This is when you stop losing money, stop losing your mind. Stop wasting time staring at the screen. This is what intelligent trader interested in. And it doesn't matter what instrument, it doesn't matter what time frame. This is what Theo trades. Intelligent, strategic trading. So every single morning I meet with my incredible traders who inspire each other. This is our global community in more than 50 countries. From beginner to hedge fund manager. From micro to multi-million, multi-billion dollar accounts. So in case you missed the events in the trading room, this is what played out. June 3rd, Sura, 8 points S&P, David 3. Manu supported everyone. Stunning, incredible work. Comments from Theo. And this is the sweetest and most important part for me and reason why I love what I do. Not just success, but identifying crazy conditions. And when Manu says my home is your home, trust me, I will be visiting Manu next year as I'm traveling the world. Next month, I'm meeting with Fariboards in New York. Fariboards trading Nasdaq. Mustafa in Saudi Arabia. I will be in Dubai meeting with students. And when hedge fund manager trading oil, absolutely Joseph's personal choice. It never gets old. You decide what you want to do and trade with Alpha Fibonacci System. But it all starts with this. Pure price and ultimate entry points versus gambling on any instrument of your choice. So Denzel just updating us, another 35 points on pound dollar. Stunning. Stunning. I mentor only how to become top 1%. I mentor how not to gamble, how not to speculate, how to trade intelligently, strategically, as brilliant Alpha Fibonacci trader. No matter if it's multi-million-dollar account, no matter if it's trader in Saudi Arabia who is quitting his job. I'm working with Mustafa tomorrow. I worked with Fariboards yesterday. I work with Theo this morning, and Denzel and Vasant. Choice is yours. I worked with Sue on Monday. We just recorded the podcast. She's killing it with options on stocks and futures. And the summary of Alpha Fibonacci System since May 13th to in front of you right now. Stop gambling. Stop speculating. Trade only power. And that's thousands of traders all over the world in more than 50 countries with Alpha Fibonacci System traded on Wall Street. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. So if you decide to join us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can always request invitation to the trading room where you see the power of the system. But if you want to learn the system, if you want to trade as hedge fund traders do all over the world, I look forward working with you. But first, listen to podcasts and how Brad went from $10 an hour to 3,500, 4,000, 5,000 per day. This is Emmanuel who brought his wife to the course. This is Carlton who is trading for hedge fund. He just sent me another email. Ken who is killing it on cryptocurrency. Richard quadrupled his retirement account. Choose from option appropriate for you. View students' journeys. View life-changing experiences. And choose from option appropriate for you. This is by far the most popular package. Lifetime software for Ninja 8 and lifetime system for any platform. 3 months group course, video library modules included. If you want to trade on any platform, first option is for you. Private mentoring, I hold your hand. I quiz you, I test you, I keep you accountable. Because I am only interested working with serious traders. So if you're ready to make an effort, if you're ready to treat markets with respect and trade as hedge fund traders do, I look forward working with you. View emails I receive every morning, read students' reviews, and become one of these traders that I look forward doing podcast with. Because disciplined trader obeys the rules and passes test every single day. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I love what I do. I promise you, you will enjoy the course. All you have to do, make an effort. And you can become one of these incredible traders.